Hello, in this short video I want to show you how to crop a video in Premiere Pro. So here I got two videos and you can see one on top of the other. It's got a lot of extra space in here that covers the important bit on the other video. I want to make it in a way that you could view both the objects at the same time by cropping one and fitting onto the other. So it's really simple. You need to go to Effects tab, which is down here, and then you need to scroll to the video effects, and then you need to scroll down to the transform, select that, and you can see here crop, and then you need to drag and drop it on the video that you want to crop. Okay, so I want to crop this video, so I put it on there, and then if you go to effect controls tab on top here, you can see the things you can change, and crop would appear here, and then you can transform the direction where you want to crop. So in here I want to crop from the right direction, right side. That's the only side I want to crop, so I have to increase by pressing the left button on your mouse, holding and turning it to the right. You can see you can control it by moving the mouse left or right, and when you're happy just leave your mouse key and you're done. As easy as that. And you can do obviously bottom and top, whichever. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and it was useful. Please don't forget to subscribe. Yes, please don't forget to subscribe. Now it's the time to subscribe. Yes. See you next time in my next video. Thanks for watching.